Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan. If this is the first time coming here, I go over makeup, I go over subscription boxes, that kind of thing. So welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing kind of a try on for the Ipsy bag. Now I've already unboxed it in my last video showing what all was there. I'm going to go over those things again today, and we're going to actually try them out. Now I've already got base on kind of thing, transition for my eyeshadow, because one of the things that came in it is the cream pigment from Hikari, and the color Envy. And let me open this up because this color is so pretty and I cannot wait to use it. It looks kind of green in the pan, but when it's actually swiped it's more of like a gold green color, I guess. Other thing that got in there, which I'm going to be using to actually apply that eyeshadow, is a Skone large shadow brush. The bag, which is really fancy, is a black and white bag. You do get 2 markers in the bag to color this, or you can obviously use any markers that you have. So that I thought was a really neat thing that they did for us this month. Let's see here. Now I did get the City Color Glow Duo. It's a cream and powder highlight. I might use a little bit of the cream. I don't know yet. We'll have to look at how it swatches, that kind of thing. But I really like this highlighter here, which I'm trying to think, did it give it a color name? No. But it's a very pretty color. I don't know if a lot of light-skinned people would be able to use it because it is kind of a darker color, but it will definitely work for me. It's a nice kind of goldy champagne color. The other thing is the Glossier Mint Balm Dotcom, which I tried this out yesterday. This is like super thick, so a little bit goes a long way. Heads up on that. So we'll be putting that on. And the other thing, which I actually for some reason got 2 of, and like I said in my last when I was doing the unboxing, not complaining one bit, because I hoard eyeliners, to be honest. But so this is the Sexy Kitten, and it's a black, just kind of like a pencil eyeliner, so I'll probably use that basically in my waterline. I don't really use pencil eyeliners on the top of my lid, so we'll see how that goes. But we will go ahead and we will get started. Let me get my highlighting brush. Alright, and the brush I use is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, but I like it for highlighter. I don't use it for foundation, obviously. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use that City Color highlight. We're going to see how well that works. It's very dusty, so I know it's picking up because I can see it picking up. Oh, I just turned my sun off. Maybe that helped a little. I forgot it was on. Okay, never mind, it's picking up. Now that my sun's off, I can actually see it. It is a nice, good kind of highlight. I'm probably gonna have to tone that down here in a minute, now that I realize I put probably way too much on. Said no one ever. And on the nose, and keep it low. Alright. That cream, let's see here. I don't know about that cream. I'm going to swipe them both on my hand so that way you can get an idea of the colors there. maybe it'll focus there. So you can see this one is, like I said, a little bit darker, kind of like a champagne color. This one is pretty light. I guess it could be used in the inner corner there. Let's see here. Yeah, that worked out pretty well in the inner corner for me, like I said, because it is pretty light, and I'm not a huge cream highlighter kind of person, so that worked out okay. Alright, so what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and we're going to put on the eyeshadow. So let me get that out and let's see how well this performs. I've used their blush. I have one of their blushes and I really like it. It's good and pigmented. So I don't know if it's this. Can't imagine it being this brush that's not picking up because it's a pretty dense brush, so I shouldn't have a problem picking it up. I don't know if it's one of those that because of the formula it needs to be wet to work better. Because yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom you in a little bit there. So this is trying to put it on dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray my brush with, I have some Rose All Day. It's a facial toner, but I think it'll work just as well. And it smells nice. Alright. Dropping stuff. Alright. Now let's try this again. Oh yeah, much better. So yeah, this is a formula that you definitely want to apply wet to really get that color payoff. I'm just kind of using a tapping motion to apply. Now, I don't use eye primer all that often. I pretty much just put my concealer on my lids and then set it with flesh tone eyeshadow prior to applying my transition shade. So, okay. I really like that color. Like I said, it's kind of like a gold green. It reminds me of, where is it at? Kind of reminds me of the, Kathleen Light's telepathy super shock shadow, where now this one's a little more gold looking than this one is, but it has that green undertone to it. And I'll actually swipe them side by side so you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to, which this is probably one of my favorite of her colors that she's come out with. I absolutely love that color. Alright, so there you go. So this one here is the Kathleen Lights one, the telepathy color, and then this is the Hikari Envy. The Envy one is a little bit lighter in gold, kind of, on the shades, but as you can see, they're very similar to each other. This one's just a little more dramatic, and like I said, I'm a huge fan of it. So let's see here, we'll go ahead and we will move on to the eyeliner. Let me go ahead and get this out, and this is basically, let me see if I can't get it to focus on it. There we go. So that's what it looks like, just a little eyeliner, super cute. Definitely would be handy though in your bag one to, if you need to freshen up your waterline or tight line. Alright, so we've got that on, and let me go ahead and we'll go ahead and put the Glossier Mint Balm Dotcom on, and like I said, with this product, a little bit goes a long way. But it does feel really nice on the lips, and it's definitely minty, and you kind of feel that mint in the lip balm itself with a little bit of a tingling. So give me just a moment, I'll be right back. I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup and we'll close out. Alright, so this is the finished look that I came up with. I'll go ahead and zoom in real quick so you can see everything. I used the new, what is this? The new Benefit BADgal Bang mascara. I actually love this mascara. I've heard mixed reviews on it. I myself have enjoyed it. The lip color that I am using, which I adore, I love a good red, especially a good blue red. This is the Anastasia Sarafine liquid lipstick. I've actually become a new fan of her liquid lipsticks. I've only been able to try 2 out so far, but both of them fell in love with them instantly. So yeah, that highlight I am completely loving on my face right now. So I thank you for watching this video. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. If you did like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and you can hit that notification bell so you will be reminded the next time that I upload. I will put all the information about the Ipsy bag in the detail box. What it is, how much it is. Most people already know it's $10 a month. And every month you get 5 items. It can be deluxe samples, and sometimes it is full-size items. So really great subscription box to start out with if you're just getting into makeup and that kind of thing. You can take the test on it, or take a personalizing quiz kind of thing, where it kind of goes through so you can pick and choose the kind of makeup that you want to have, or if you want it to be more facial creams and lotions, that kind of thing. It's really great. I kind of just go through and select everything because I love makeup and I love getting all kinds of makeup. I love using all different kinds of makeup. I sometimes will wear very natural toned down stuff, and then other times I wear very vibrant colors, just like my hair. I thank you for watching. You have a great day.